In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert or how you can type $sign on your document. So I have here a document and I'd like to go ahead and just type or enter a $sign just next to this word. To do so, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, if you go ahead and look on your keyboard, you will see that key number 4 contains the $sign. However, if I go ahead and tap on the key number 4, it will type number 4 and not the $sign. For us to be able to enter the $sign, we need to go ahead and change the function of this number 4 key on your keyboard. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to your shift button, which is this. Go ahead and press it down and then go ahead and tap on number 4. Now, it doesn't matter whether the $sign is written on your number 4, it will still perform the same function. So I'll go ahead and press down shift and then number 4, and look at that, the $sign has been inserted. So by doing so, I can type in or I can insert as many $signs as I want, as long as the shift button on your keyboard is pressed down. So that's how you can insert the $sign on a document using your keyboard on your computer or on your laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.